Unlock your potential by creating a personal development plan tailored to your goals and aspirations. Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Chaoos, where we help you unlock your potential and achieve your dreams. Have you ever felt stuck in your career or unsure of your next step? You're not alone. A personal development plan, PDP, is your roadmap to progress, helping you identify goals, strengths, and skills you need. With a solid plan, you can turn your career aspirations into reality. A PDP isn't just for times of uncertainty. It ensures you stay aligned with your long-term ambitions. This video will show you how to craft one that reflects who you are and where you want to go. Let's get started on paving your path to success. Begin by reflecting on where you stand today. Take stock of your skills, strengths, weaknesses, and career achievements. Ask yourself, what do I do well? Where do I need to improve? Honesty is crucial. It's the foundation for growth. Evaluate feedback you've received from managers or colleagues. Look at past performance reviews for recurring themes. Seeing your career through others' eyes can provide fresh insights into areas you may overlook. What do you want to achieve in the next year? The next 5 years? Defining clear, actionable goals is vital. Break them into short-term, medium-term, and long-term objectives. Remember, specific goals like earn a leadership role work better than vague aspirations. Use the SMART framework. Goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This structure ensures your ambitions are grounded and trackable, maximizing your chances of staying on course. Once your goals are clear, ask, what skills or knowledge gaps must I address to achieve them? Whether it's technical expertise, communication skills, or certifications, knowing what's missing will help you focus your efforts efficiently. Seek guidance from mentors or professionals in your desired field. They can share the skills and strategies they relied on to achieve similar goals. Leveraging their wisdom will save you time and effort. Now it's time to turn insights into action. Break your goals into bite-sized tasks with concrete deadlines. Instead of writing improve public speaking, for instance, plan actions like join a Toastmasters group by next month, or present at team meetings weekly. Your PDP should also include resources like courses, books, or networking opportunities to support your growth. Commit to scheduling time weekly to review your progress and adjust your plan as necessary. Tracking progress keeps you accountable and motivated. Use tools like career journals, apps, or even simple spreadsheets to document your wins, setbacks, and lessons learned. Regularly reviewing your PDP ensures it evolves with your career. Celebrate achievements, no matter how small. Meeting a short-term goal is a sign you're moving in the right direction. Recognizing these moments builds momentum, driving you toward larger successes. Careers rarely follow a straightforward path, and your PDP should be flexible enough to adapt. As industries and roles shift, reassess your goals and update your plan. This agility ensures you're always moving forward, even when challenges arise. Resilience is key during setbacks. Treat failures as opportunities to learn and refine your approach. The ability to adapt will set you apart, keeping you motivated regardless of circumstances. Let me share a quick example. Meet Mia. She wanted to transition from a marketing role to a data analyst role. Her PDP included taking an online data analysis course, attending industry webinars, networking with data professionals. In 8 months, Mia landed her dream job, all thanks to her PDP. Creating a personal development plan is not just about advancing your career. It's about taking control of your future, one step at a time. By intentionally crafting a roadmap, you can achieve meaningful progress and transform your professional life. Now is your moment to act. Start your PDP today. Follow the steps outlined, and you'll unlock doors to opportunities you once only imagined. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips and tricks. Have a personal goal you're working on? Share it in the comments. I'd love to cheer you on.